Assemble the screw rod and gearbox together using a rubber mallet, ensuring that is facing the correct direction. Tighten the set screws with a TX5 Torx wrench to fix the screw rod and gearbox in place. Place the lifting assembly unit back onto the base frame. Insert the mounting screws and thread them in, but do not tighten them yet. Install the lifting motor. After installing the motor, tighten the mounting screws between the gearbox and the base frame. Assemble the MMM600 upper mount and the lifting assembly unit together. Note the relative positions of the bolts and nuts while tightening. Release the overhead support slowly and allow the upper mount to settle under its own weight. Confirm that the upper mount and the lifting assembly unit are securely tightened. Connect the power and perform a lifting function test. Once the test is successful, put back the covers and the scrap collection baffle. Finally, mount the control box back onto the base frame. Task complete.